You used it. Sort it out.
It's all rubbish.
Yes, you used it.
I know. I don't know how to do it. Come on. It's all quick.
I got your
I'll tell you,
fishing rod to the other side of the river.
good fishing day. Yeah.
Did you?
Hang on a minute.
Where's my fishing rod?
What do you think about the situation in Iraq?
It's just bloody out.
My bum.
Right. What do you think about the situation in Iraq, Richard?
The rack.
I think it's.
What do you
I
think?
think it's stupid.
You think it's
The
stupid?
situation in Iraq is stupid.
What do you reckon about the situation in Iraq?
They should kill them all.
Yep, I agree. Kate, situation in Iraq, what do you think?
I actually do it.
Right. And you?
Hey.
Is that mine?
You alright, yeah?
Not bad.
You alright, yeah?
Yeah, you
really
alright?
not funny, Sean.
Are you
You
alright?
alright, yeah?
Are you alright, yeah?
Yeah, I'm alright, yeah, you alright?
Are you alright, yeah?
I'll pluck their teeth out one by one.
Are you
Come back.
alright, yeah?
Don't play with what you can afford.
Yeah, wiggly wiggly.
Is that yours, Ash, or mine?
What?
This cover?
Where's my rod?
That's yours,
That's
isn't it?
mine.
It's
Put away.